Today we're going to be reviewing the AOA Studio All About the Eyes makeup brush set. This set is $10.55 on the Shop Miss A website. It comes with this case here and the 10 brushes. And I love that the money goes to the Pawpaw charity that they have. There's the brushes, but first I want to touch real quickly on the traveling kind of carrying case that they come in. These are like a fake faux leather and they are nice and pretty pink. They have snaps on them, go together like this. One of my favorite things though is one of them can hold the clean brushes and the other one can hold the dirty brushes as you're using them, preparing to wash them, yada yada yada. Another quick note I want to mention is because these brushes are all white bristled, they do stain. Okay, there's no way around it. But the easiest thing I found to actually bring that stain almost completely out of those bristles is Zote soap. It's 88 cents at Walmart and it works great at cleaning these brushes. I have cleaned these brushes, seriously, every single time I've used them with the Zote soap. I'm not even spot clean them because I want to bring these stains out. I've been using some really potent, very pigmented shadows. And spot cleaning is not going to bring that stain out of the brushes. If you have that problem with white bristled brushes, try the Zote soap. It may work for you too. Now, as a whole, these brushes are phenomenal. Some of the softest brushes I have ever used. Yes, ever. They are so incredibly soft. Absolutely phenomenal. Amazing. Not to mention they're beautiful. Look at that beautiful pink wooden handle, the silver ferrule, and the white bristles. They're just beautiful. So girly. So dainty looking, so nice. With that said, as a whole, get them. You guys, this is a product rave video. They are so good. You won't regret it. And affordable. I mean, $10.55 is not much for a case and 10 brushes that are absolutely amazing. Now we're going to take an individual look at these. And I'm going to talk a little bit about the ones that I've used, which is almost every single one of them. I've only not used like one of them. So we're going to start with them in order because they are numbered. They may be available at some point for individual sale. So, I don't know. This one is E125. Anyways, it looks like this. It's an angled fluffy brush. And I actually used this to apply contour, and it worked. Even though they say that for eyes, you can use any brush you want for anything you want. That's the beauty of creation, imagination. You being your own person, you know, do what you want to. You don't always have to follow the crowd. But these are, this one's really soft, and I've not used this one on my eyes, but it did do all right applying contour. Next, we have E126. And this is a big fluffy brush. Now I will say about this set, there is a brush in here for anything that you want to do centered around blending. Especially if you are new to blending, you're mediocre at blending, or professional level blender. Seriously, you need these no matter what. But honestly, if these are perfect for beginners because they blend out flawlessly so quickly. And there is a brush in here for any kind of color placement on an eye look that you would like to do. This one's so nice, especially for blending out those outer edges and meshing the highlight with the crease and transition color. Awesome. Alright, terribly sorry, but the neighbor has decided to mow their yard. But I really want to get this video out for you guys and tell you about how wonderful these brushes actually are. So we have 127. So we're just going to keep trucking on. Hopefully no one cares. Now, in comparison to the last fluffy brush, you can see this one is a bit more longer. Now, some of these are going to be great for color placement. Some of these are going to be great for blending out and making shadows seem seamless. This is The 127 is going to be more like blending out and making the colors seem seamless because it's more fluffy. This one's more dense. So they both are going to be good for blending out stuff, but you can also use this one for color placement because it's more dense. 128 here, and you can tell by just a quick comparison, this one's quite a bit smaller. So this is going to be definitely perfect for the outer corner color. If you want a smaller transition area, a more everyday look, this is going to be perfect for applying that transition color. Super soft. It is a little bit stained, but not too bad. The next one is E129, and it's a flat kind of eyeshadow brush, but it's still kind of fluffy. So you could apply highlight with this. You can apply lid color with this, inner corner color with this, blow out your lash line with this, whatever you technically want to do with it. But this one's going to be really good for the highlight area, which is what I was using it for. Honestly, you could turn this on its side and really get into your crease area with a transition color, kind of like a placement tool, if that makes sense. The next one is E130. And this blending brush looks like this. Super soft. This one, once again, going around outer edges, placing transition color is going to be good for that. It's dense, but it's really fluffy still. Next we have E131. And this is a flat eyeshadow shader brush. It's more stiffer, still soft, but I mean it's like a stiffer one. So when you're gonna go for the max color payoff and you need a brush to pat that shadow into a secondary base, this is gonna be your best friend. And this one is stained with yellow and blue eyeshadows, but the Zote soap did bring it almost all the way out. It was way worse, you guys, way worse. I really do like shaders like this, especially for that packing on color. Another favorite of mine as well is E132. And it's the smallest of the blending, like fluffier brushes. Now I would use this for blowing out the lower lash line. I would use this for outer corner colors. And I would use this for just crease work in general. Not the transition color, but crease work. Like you're going to use a cut crease look and you need the transition and the line in your crease color kind of thing. This is perfect for that. It's super dense, still super fluffy. So it's going, now a lot of these brushes are going to serve a lot of purpose because they're going to place color and also blend out color. So they are double purposed and I love that. These are, oh my goodness, you guys. Just go on over to Shop Miss A and get yourself a set. These are amazing. You won't regret it. Especially for blending. Next one we have is E133, and it's a double-ended one. And this is for, obviously for your eyebrows. So get an angled liner brush, and you get the spoolie. And this also is one of my favorites. That one's self-explanatory, works amazing. And then I love this one as well, the E134. This is also really good. Now this could probably be used as a lip brush, an eyeliner brush, inner corner highlighting brush, lower lash line color placement. You know, like I said, use your imagination, your creative side, do what you want to with these brushes. But these are just ideas for you. And I like to use this to take and blend out the concealer when cutting a crease, and it works very good for that. I use it for blending out NYX pencil for cutting the crease and things like that. So I use this for solely really cutting my crease, and I loved it for it. This is really awesome. It's just really awesome that there's an array of blending brushes, color placement brushes, as well as your everyday kind of working brushes like your eyebrow brush, liner brushes, shaders, You can get any kind of look you want with using these brushes, and they all serve several different purposes, and they're just, oh my goodness, you guys have to get you a set and feel them for yourself. They're so incredibly soft. So yes, I hope you found this review helpful, because I enjoy using these. I enjoy filming these Shop Miss A reviews for you guys. I hope you enjoy watching them. Stay tuned for more, because they added some new stuff on their website, and I will definitely be placing another order and doing tutorials, reviews, and hauls for all of you. And yes, so stay tuned for more videos. And almost every tutorial you'll see since I hauled these are using these brushes. There's at least 5 or 6 tutorials now, and I'm using nothing but these eye brushes, and you will continue to see that because they're that great. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to ring that bell, subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you always for watching, and stay tuned for more Shop Miss A videos.